Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the air fragrance modules for the eufy S2. If you're interested in the S2 or the air fragrance modules, the links to them will be in the video description. So first things first, let's start by removing the cover on the S2 and identifying where the air fragrance even goes. So this little cover right here inside, and it just is very easy. It's held on, I think magnetically, it just kind of snaps in place there. So that's where we're going to put the new module. Out of the box, you get the fragrance refills. You get a 3-pack of them with your vacuum. And they even have instructions for you, showing you how to install them right there. So we have different scents to choose from. In this case, let's go ahead, let's grab the citrus and basil scent. It says peel off before use. So we'll just take that. This looks really cool with that peeled off. It says eufy top. So looky there, all different sides and angles. And then basically for the scent, just gently press it right in. So that's it. It just sets and rests in there like so, right at the top. That's going to be on the back side there. And then you just take this cover and then it goes right back on. So there it is. You could swap it out, all of that right there. Just put it right back in, and then you can put your cover back on. Super simple.